In this video I will tell you how to get skin lightening at home with baking soda for skin whitening naturally. Today, there are a lot of reasons why people feel the urge to lighten and whiten their skin. That is why many articles about tips and tricks for skin whitening were published, but not all of them are suitable and affordable for everyone. Both men and women of any age are sort of obsessed to have a fairer complexion. Dark and dull complexion is something none of us would want to have and always look for different remedies to get skin whitening. Baking soda with water. Unwanted skin darkening can be caused by a lot of things like chafing, sun exposure, freckles, scars, acne, skin irritations, pigmentation, skin allergies, rashes, contact spots, genetics, etc. Mix 2 teaspoons of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of warm water. Wash the affected area and apply. Let it dry for a few minutes and wash off with warm water, then dry the skin. Baking soda with honey. Honey helps to fight against bacteria, tightens the skin pores, protects skin from sun damage and moisturizes the skin. Baking soda exfoliates the skin to reduce redness caused by breakouts and thus boosts proper circulation. Mix 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon of raw honey and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Apply to the affected skin and massage gently in a circular motion. Wash it with lukewarm water after 10 minutes. Apply once a week. Baking soda with oat flour. Oatmeal and baking soda have a grainy texture that exfoliates the skin to remove the dead skin cells and activates the cells to lighten it. Stir 1 tablespoon each of baking soda and water and add 2 tablespoons of oat flour. Apply to the affected skin. Scrub it gently and leave it on for 2 to 3 minutes before washing off. Baking soda detox bath. It helps the body to eliminate the toxins and provides all the essential nutrients. Add 2 cups of Epsom salt and 1 to 2 cups of baking soda in your bath and stir well. Soak yourself for about 30 minutes and wash your skin with normal water. You can also add 1 Cuban peso and 4 Cuban pesos of cornstarch, or add 1 ounce of baking soda in your bathtub and soak yourself in it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Repeat regularly. Baking soda with coconut oil. The citric acid in lemon juice helps to treat fine lines, irregular pigmentation, and enlarged pores. Coconut oil is used to prevent irritation of the skin caused by the exfoliation. Tea tree oil has both antifungal and antiseptic properties. Mix 1/2 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1/8 tablespoon of coconut oil and 2 to 4 drops of tea tree oil. Apply this paste to the affected skin. Leave for a minute or 2 and then scrub your skin. Wash it off and pat dry the skin. Repeat once or twice a week. Note: apply sunscreen before going outside. Baking soda with hydrogen peroxide. This process acts as a natural chemical peel to make your skin radiant. This may cause irritation and is not suitable for sensitive skin. Mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda with hydrogen peroxide. Apply to the affected skin. Leave it on for a few minutes and wash it off with water. Baking soda with strawberry. This method eliminates excess dirt, sebum, and other impurities from the skin. It also lightens the skin's complexion by preventing the production of melanin. Mash 1 ripe strawberry and mix with 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Apply to the affected skin. Leave for 5 to 10 minutes and massage gently in a circular motion for 2 to 3 minutes. Wash off with cool water and pat the skin dry.